Here na sa clubhouse. First impression, we love the vibe. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Cheers, Happy Mother's Day. Grabe yung init. Party guys!
Welcome to our vlog.
Hey besties, good morning! We're currently here pala guys sa Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. And mag-quick staycation lang kami. Actually, hindi siya staycation talaga kasi ano lang, day use kami dito. So, if you're also looking for a place to chill here in Lapu-Lapu City, come join with us today. Actually, it's a Mother's Day. And I'm with my family. Oh my God! Sawadee-ka! Hello! Good morning! Feeling namin guys, pet-friendly daw dito, sabi nila. And hopefully, totoo. Kasi if hindi totoong pet-friendly dito, so si Chubby, ambot na lang. Asa siya ibot ng Chubby. We're currently here para guys sa Dusit-Tani. Ayan. Feeling ko dyan yung entrance or yung reception. And nag-parking lang kami somewhere here. Agay, Chubby, ngayon kayo. We're here at Dusit-Tani. Before pala kayo papasok guys, is merong scanner here, parang sa airport. Yan. X-ray pala. We have QR kasi sa online kami nag-book. Sa online pala kami nag-book and they gave us parang QR something. So yan, pupunta daw tayo sa clubhouse. Doon daw i-present yung parang QR something. And actually guys, right now is ASEAN Summit dito sa Cebu. And meron kami nakitang parang van sa Timor-Leste. And wala lang, share ko lang. Tabi kami sa clubhouse. Dito daw. Sa pool, then here. Parang sa left side. Kasi nandyan yung clubhouse. And doon namin i-present yung parang QR something for our day use. And feeling namin guys, kasali na daw yung locker, which is amazing. Kasi at least, di ba, meron tayong locker for our things. Since we will be staying here lang for day use. And ayan guys, in fairness, ang ganda ng pool. Very Lyshabels. We are here na sa clubhouse. So dito natin pa-verify yung QR something natin para sa ating day use. Ayan. May nakalagay pala day use or meron din pa silang night use. Day use or night use registration counter. So yan. Meron naman nakalagay the clubhouse. Tingnan nyo guys, here sa clubhouse nila is pwede yatang mag-pickle dyan or basketball. Locker is free rooms?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Depende po sa availability po na if available pa ang locker.
Okay.
Pero sa karon ng murag mail may available pa, pwede na po ma-share sa mail.
Wow, thank you. Wala lang. So yun guys, meron na tayong parang wristband.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ay, artist vlog day.
Meron na kaming wristband. Ayan.
Shout out kay
Guys, nakauyab na jud daw siya.
out Kayla.
In fairness guys, first impression, we love the vibe here. Para siyang nasa Bali something or Thailand yung feels. There's lang kids area here. Yan guys, kids area. So dito pala guys, ayan. Meron din silang parang store. Para pwede kayong bumili. Ayan. Yung mga swimsuits, ganyan. Mga lotions, meron din. We're currently here na pala sa restaurant nila. Actually, dalawang restaurant lang yung open. Yung isa is parang buffet siya. And then, here, nasa The View restaurant kami. Ayan. Dito kasi is may a la carte lang. And dito kami sa a la carte lang. Yung package na kinuha is, beach access at pool access. Pero meron namang option if you want with meal yung day use nyo. Ito yung menu nila guys. May adobong pusit, larang soup, inasal chicken, bacolod style, sizzling chicken, beef ribs, rendang, butter gambas. Meron din mga seafoods, pastas, truffle chips. Meron din silang mga pizza, margarita, pepperoni, Hawaiian. Then if you're craving some sweets, ayan, meron silang halo-halo, ice cream, tapos chocolate mousse. Then meron din pala silang guys, barbecue pork ribs. Meron din tea, soda, shakes, sparkling water. And if you're craving some coffee, meron din sila fresh juices, smoothies, then mga water, local draft beers, international beer, classic cocktails, rose wine, sparkling. So screenshot nyo na lang guys if you are also trying to dine in here dito sa The View ng Dusitani. Champagne, yan. And I think that's it. Change location kami guys. Kanina nandun kami, tapos currently we're here na lang. Pero same restaurant pa rin. Kasi parang mas nice yung ambience dito. Parang naka-exclusive chart. Tapos dyan pala guys, yan. Dyan yung parang buffet nila. So kami, dito lang kami sa a la carte. Happy Mother's Day! Smile! Ana. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day!
Matanaway mong buwak mo ni Kosing. Tanaway mong buwak ni
Guys, kasi guys, yung flower guys, merong money.
Ay, ako na lang naman.
Ulo, wala
Ito. Bakit?
Oh my God, you didn't see? Oh,
Yan, naging natin.
hey, nanami pang pampalit sa restaurant. Food is here guys, so we have here Hawaiian pizza, pineapple juice, strawberry shake, chicken, we have here salad, calamaris, and then we have another mango shake, and a langaw. Langaw! Yan, medyo mainit dito guys kasi yung fun nila is yan lang. Tapos nang dun. Yan, pizza. Ang bango ng chicken guys. Wala mo, lamig ng chicken.
Your wish is your fruit.
Cheers! Wala labot ang For the girls only. Wow! Thank you. Ay, salamat. Uy, makumpleto na ito ang cheers. Ang ganda na mga pagpapa. Tubig version. Kanina shake. Ngayon tubig. Tubig version. Cheers! Happy Mother's Day! Wala kayo sa aso namin guys. Maraming fans. Ayan o. Ganyan lagi si Chubby. Marami talagang fans. We done eating guys, and in fairness, masarap naman yung food, pero yun nga lang, yung place na yun is sobrang init kasi yung fun guys is dalawang big fun lang. And grabe guys, sobrang init talaga. And dito pala, yan yung pool, tapos dito guys is pwede kayong mag-claim sa towel. Ayan, free naman siya. Dito guys, meron silang mga resort activities, ayan. So kite flying, daily siya, 9 to 10 sa Broadwalk. Then meron ding aqua aerobics, daily siya, 11 to 11:30 a.m. Tapos meron ding 5 to 5:30. Table tennis, fish feeding. Wow, meron din pala silang fish feeding. Yan sa beachfront. Tapos meron ding badminton, volleyball, at saka sunset yoga every Saturday and Sunday. And dito pala guys, meron din silang diving lessons. Tuesday and Thursday. At around 2 to 3 p.m. pala siya. Let's go! Yung towel nila guys, parang same din dun sa J Park. In fairness guys, marami din palang mag-day use dito sa Dusit Thani. Yung cons lang niya talaga is sobrang init niya. And tingnan nyo guys, so ayan oh. Grabe yung init. Tapos kahit merong umbrella, mafe-feel mo pa rin talaga yung init. And then walang masyadong hangin. Meron din pala silang bar dyan. And feeling ko later merong foam party. Kanina nandun kami kanina sa pool area. Yan yung bar. Tapos dito naman is the dagat na. Pwede kayong mag-chill dito. Pero right now it's currently 2:27 p.m. So sobrang init guys. Infinity pool and then the dagat. And dyan is the bar. Tip guys, if you are here in Dusit Thani, ayan guys, merong chair diyan or table. And in fairness, maganda yung spot kasi view mo yung dagat, tapos landong pa. Pero yun nga lang, medyo malayo kayo sa pool kasi nandyan yung pool. Pero in fairness, ayan maganda yung area na yan. Dito naman, meron ding mga chairs, ganyan. Pero if mga ganitong oras, sobrang init niya. Pero guys, if sunset, best spot din to. Ayan, tapos katapat nyo yung pool, infinity pool. More chairs here. Ayan. O, diba? Tarik na tarik yung araw, guys! Dito pala, guys, may na-discover kami. Seaside Promises Love Locks. Ayan, so pwede din kayong mag-love locks dito. Love lock available at the reception. How much kaya? Ayan o. O, diba? Para kayo nga sa Seoul, Korea. Char. And, mga love locks. So, meron ding notice dyan, guys, oh, na locks that are not from Dusit Thani, Mactan, Cebu will be removed. No guaranteed lifetime commitment. So, near lang siya sa dagat. Time to swim, guys! Yay! Home party, guys!
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Dili na lagi na ikabalak ka.
Ay, video ito mo ano? Pasa. Ala. Ikaw, Sal. Okay, go. Okay, next. Ito mo ni.
Ba.
Ano pa niya? Tayo pa.
Hey.
Happy birthday. Hi guys. Nag-honor. This is the father of Bantay sa yang apo nga si Chugi. Wala na. Pailing kayo. Hello. Nawala pa ni Rose. Nawala yung mga boxes. Chugi, smile. Adto da ka Chugi. Apil ka sa foam party. Agay.
Hey besties, update. We are already done sa aming swimming. Tignan nyo yung view namin guys. O yun o, very nice na yung pool kasi meron ng mga lights. Tapos ayan, mag skincare muna tayo. So we're here lang. Ayan. So, very nice na yung ambience, guys, kasi marami ng ilaw. Naka-experience pala kami kanina, guys, yung foam party, which is amazing. As in, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. Parang yan yung isa sa mga highlights dito sa Dusitani. So yun, I really recommend this place, guys. As in all fairness, we love the vibe. Parang yung area pala dito, guys, or yung hotel mismo is parang sa Thailand pala siya, guys. Kasi meron Thailand. Hala, nag-foam party na po sila! Ayan, meron ding foam party as of now, guys. It's already 6:44 p.m. So apparently, meron pa palang mga foam party. So from time to time pala siyang meron. Which is nice, guys. Yan din yung nakaka-unique dito sa Dusitani. So dito pala sa Dusitani, guys, is para siyang sa Thailand. Kasi mayroong Thailand na flag doon. And then yung parang letters dito niya, guys, sa Dusitani is parang font ng Thailand. Char! Font ng Thailand. Basta, guys, research natin. Tingnan nga natin kung ano ba talaga. Feeling ko talaga, guys, sa Thailand talaga siya. Ay! Diba? Tama ako. Dusitani originates from Thailand, founded by Tan Puying Chanut Piyawi. In 1948, the company opened its first hotel in Bangkok in 1949 and is headquartered in Thailand's capital, which it has grown into a major multinational hospitality brand recognized for its Thai-inspired luxury service. O, di ba, guys? Tama tayo. Ayan, so, yeah. Yung meaning pala ng Dusitani, guys, is town in heaven. So, yun lang. Share ko lang. So, ito na forma ng Dusitani if sa gabi na, guys. So, di ba? Ang ganda ng mga lights. So, yan. Uwi na kami. Finally, uuwi na kami. We are done here na sa Dusitani. And thank you so much, Dusitani, for the nice experience. Char! So, yan. Uwi na kami. In fairness, guys, ang ganda ng lights nila. Yun, oh. Very relaxing. Tapos, yung hangin ngayon, ang ganda, nakaka-relax. Medyo malamig na yung hangin. Actually, guys, dito para sa Dusitani, meron ding night use. So, yan, pwede kayong mag-night use dito. And dyan naman is yung kids' room. Pwede kayong maglaro dyan. Kids' playground pala. Dusitani is a pet-friendly. Yay! And then, isa sa uli nyo yung towels. Dyan pa rin kung saan yung kinuha. So, make sure kompleto siya. Kasi may ID kayong i-deposit na ID or ibilin. Thank you, Dusitani! Welcome to Thailand! Uy, nawa ang vlog! So, I think I will end na lang my video here, guys. Kasi wala na. Uuwi na tayo. So, nag-day-use lang talaga kami dito sa Dusitani. And in fairness, masaya siya kahit medyo mainit. Pero sobrang ganda ng pool nila, guys, yung mga amenities, ganyan. Pero yung downside lang is yung shower area nila or shower room kasi isa lang. Tapos marami kami. Di ba, guys, sa mga babae is medyo matagal talagang mag-shower. And apparently, parang 3 or 4 lang yata na cubicle for shower area. So yun lang, medyo yan yung cons niya. Aside doon is overall super solid siya, guys. And we love the foam party, ganyan. And then yung ambience niya, especially sa gabi na, guys, sobrang romantic niya, ang ganda niya. And by the way, guys, nag-book pala kami dito sa Klook. And I will put na lang the description box. I will put na lang the link on the description box below. And thank you, guys, for joining us on our day trip here in Dusitani. Adios!